Just getting ready for our hike up to the lake. A little bit of a detour from the hike we did yesterday. Had a 1.5 hour trip up and 1.5 hour trip down. But we're going to try and camp there if we can. So we're going to take our big backpacks, walk up there, and hopefully we don't have to walk back down again. Hopefully there's camp down there.
It'll be less heavy today if we're not bringing water. There's so much water up there. We just filter it and drink it.
Yeah, so we're not taking water. We're going to take the filter, the B3 filter, and then see how it goes. Fuck these Ecrins. Off we go to the lake. 1 hour 15 minutes, but with these packs, it's probably going to be a couple of hours at least. So much to take photos of here. If you come here, that you have to stop, so you never get where you want to get to. It's actually quite nice to get into the cool. Like you can't go like even 100 meters without stopping to take a picture. We were going the opposite direction yesterday. This is a different view. Taking a little break. Takes a little bit more effort to climb up with the big backpacks. But it's a really nice view here. What we're hoping is that by the time we get up, most of the families and crowds would have finished at the lake, started heading down, and that by 7 o'clock we'll have the lake more or less starting to get empty, so we can set up, hopefully. Oh, this is a little more difficult than I thought, but we're moving still, and I'm sweating buckets. Looks like we're getting close. We've reached a flat plateau a little bit, and I'll take a few minutes to take in the view. Lunch is being made, not served yet, made. These are supposed to be good. I'm looking forward to tasting them. They're something to do with chestnuts, I think. Anna's nodding her head yes. Potential bathing spot. See the smile on Anna's face after seeing the potential bathing spot. So we took Anna's idea and we found a camping place which is away from the main track, and that's where we plan to camp, just over there. And that's the view we're gonna have in the morning. And that's our shower place, right there, in -10-degree glacial water. And over there, that big rock just beyond it is going to be our kitchen. Exploring our area a little bit, where we set up camp. There's a really cool little marshy bog field. I don't know what you call it, but it's really pretty. The tent is all set up and we're ready to get ourselves organized with food And we opened up the front of the tent, so that's the view we're gonna get in the morning when we wake up from here. Just finishing our hike and heading back now. We've camped out the night, and I'll try and post some of the star pictures I put up here as well. And we're going to be getting back to the main track now, down there. Really feeling quite fatigued and exhausted now at the end of this few days of hiking. I think it's a good time to stop. I'm losing my footing more often than I was, so I think it's a very good time to stop and try again another day. The car park is in sight. I think another 15 minutes and we'll be there.